Ayan, bumili ako sa Fairwood. Ang kakainin ko. Ayan. Wow. So oily. Kain tayo. Bumili ako ng beef brisket na curry. So, first time ko itong kakainin. Hindi ko alam kung masarap o ano. Pero gustong-gusto ko talaga. Ayaw ko ng beef, pero pag beef brisket, gusto ko siya. Aywan ko. Nakasarapan ako sa beef brisket kasi niluluto ko siya, pero never pa ako nagluto ng may curry beef brisket. So, first time ko itong kakainin. So, kain tayo. So, tinidor talaga. Alat. Ang alat ng patatas.
I'm not rich, I'm not a witch. I just work from 9 to 5. No need to worry, don't feel so sorry. I love hearing my favorite tunes. Jazz and a bossa nova, electronica. When I feel that it's good enough, I want more, I just want more. Freedom, freedom, freedom. Life is full of wonderful things. Be moved, be moved, be moved. Open your eyes, open your heart. The world's so beautiful. I'm not slim, I don't trim. I wear the clothes, make me feel so fine. This is my story, in my own glory. I love watching my favorite films. Action and adventure, love and romantica. When I feel that it's good enough, I want more, I just want more. Feel good, feel good, feel good. I will go out with wonderful dreams. Be moved, be moved, be moved. Open your eyes, open your heart. The world's so beautiful. Oh, birds are singing for you night and day. Oh, all of your dreams will come true if you're always true to yourself.
Actually, talaga gusto ko sanang magdala ng beef brisket. Yung frozen na beef brisket. Kaso bawal naman palang magdala. Sayang. Gusto ko rin sana magluto sa Pinas ng ganito, kaso lahat na lang pinagbabawal. Yung mga galing dito sa Hongkong bawal. Lalo na yung mga nakadilata. Ito, pati mga prutas. Bawal na magdala. Busog na ako. Busog na ako, guys. Salamat sa panonood. Ayan, may pang dinner pa pala ako. Oh. Thank you for watching.